Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a WhatsApp group, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a group on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app, and over here on your chat box interface, guys, you can see there is a plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen on a green box. Tap on that, and over here on this interface at the top of the screen, you can see there is a new group option available for us. Tap on that new group, and over here you will be required to add some members to your group. So select the contacts to whom you want to add on your WhatsApp group, and after that, after adding all of the persons whom you want to add on that group, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a green arrow icon at the bottom right. Tap on that arrow icon, and over here you will be able to rename your group. So name your group whichever you want, and after naming your group, guys, you can see the green tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that green tick mark, and your group has been created, guys. And guys, this is how to make a group on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.